Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I'm just here to give you a real quick update on our olive mill restoration project. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are just incredible. I step away from my computer to go have lunch. I come back, it's up. And I'm like, oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so I have some more people to thank and listen for your name. Here it is. Oh, first of all, we've made it up to the grand total of $10,093. We are like 2/3 of the way there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the best thing ever. So I wanted to thank a few people. First of all, I have Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. And then Michael donated. Thank you so much, Michael. And then Rodrigo, I love it. Thank you so much. And then Sharon, thank you, Sharon. We really appreciate it. Timmy and Luther, you guys, thanks so much. I can't wait to see you in a few weeks, I think, when we'll all be together up in Santa Domenica, Talao. So exciting. And then Michael, another Michael, thank you, Michael, and Mark. Thank you so much for all your love and support for our beautiful village. They are over the moon. So I'll see you tomorrow with another update. And meanwhile, I'm going to put up something about what it's like to fly now or fly into Italy, what the entry requirements are so that there's no big mystery, so that we can all head over there as soon as possible. See you soon.